Check out Baer Brakes Big Claw Rotors, designed to take your truck's braking to the next level. These rotors are packed with performance benefits that'll have you braking on a dime. Big Claw rotors are bigger than your stock rotors, giving you more stopping power thanks to increased leverage and brake torque. Plus, they're built with extra mass in the friction area to handle heat, meaning you can count on consistent braking performance even under intense conditions. Baer Brakes doesn't mess around when it comes to airflow either. The directional curved vane design maximizes cooling, keeping your brakes cool and fade-free during those aggressive stops. And with cross-drilling and slotting, you can say goodbye to brake pad outgassing and hello to even pad contact for maximum grip. Installation is a piece of cake. These bolt on with the relocation brackets so you can keep your stock calipers. Plus, they're zinc plated for extra protection against corrosion, ensuring they'll look and perform great for years to come. So if your truck's in need of an upgrade, don't just settle for any old rotors. Go for the Big Claw brake rotors from Baer Brakes and experience the difference for yourself. Available for a wide range of half-ton trucks and SUVs, these rotors are the real deal. Check out Baer's full lineup of brake kits and components at Baer.com.